What's good, guys? This is Lincoln Gosling 647. Welcome back to another video. Wow, this all loads. Load? Okay. It's all loaded. I've been playing this game for a while now. This is Vehicle Simulator. It's one of my favorite games. Hopefully it'll be yours too. If you like cars, this be your game right here. It's just everything about this game. Like, if you ain't rich and shit, this is where you go, Sad but true. Okay, I got McLaren. They changed the names. It's Fakia La Fica. I don't even know what. It's a GT. Oh, what? It's supposed to be a McLaren. Why? This is a McLaren P1. Fuck. Is that my McLaren P1? Yeah, hold up. No, it's not. Is it? No, it's not my McLaren P1. But the sounds on this are amazing. The sounds, whew, you only wish they were in real life, but they ain't. In this McLaren P1, I got the camo. It's probably, I don't know if it's my expenses. This car did cost a lot. I don't know what's new in this game. I haven't played it for a couple. What is it? Month? Yeah, a couple months. I got bored of the game. Some games you gotta get bored of because I play this game on and on. But let's see what's new in here. This is like the main place. This is the main place. I want to see if there's any monster cars. There's some cars over there too. So I like going there. But cars are not really. There is a couple cars that you can start off with. Okay, there's our cars here. Okay, okay, there's. Why they changed the name? That makes it. Okay, that's a monster truck. But I have that one right there. Fuck, what? They might put more in here. They might. I don't know. Right now, right now, I don't know if you play this game, tell me what I should do. Should I want to save for the hotel. So like, I really want to, I'm planning. Or should I save for a car? Like, not any car. The apartments, the paint view, all that. Should I? I really want to. I really do want to. If you don't know this, this motherfucker costs a lot. I'm not joking. This costs a lot. I always wanted this house. Okay. This is a rent apartment. Would you like to rent an apartment? Buy once, keep forever. Well, it's a good deal. 2K without like paying rent and shit. Like every time you log off, you have to start over again and get that. No, that's 2 million. 2 million. And you can customize with furniture. Apartment comes pre-finished, penthouse view, and then look what's here. Coming soon. I really do want to get one. I really do. I really do want to look in these apartments, see if I'm getting a good deal out of them. If you're the owner of this and you're watching my video, hit me up. I wanna see what I'm getting into. You know, I wanna hook up. You know, not hook up like what's the most I want to see if we can work something out. You know, because I am challenging, and you know, I want to work something out. You know, and there are races. There's more than one race up in this game. In this game, and they're all fun. The one I recommend you if you're trying to save for a car. Here, let me go to it. It's called Around the World. Bro, that's so cool. And how they do stuff right here. Okay, how they do stuff here. I really like how they do stuff here. And yeah, there's um that speed something. I don't care. Let me do that better. Yeah. Okay. Here's Around the World. It's the best thing if you want to go on it. It's just too. It's you get more money doing it, and it's funner. Like even if you lose, you still get a lot of money, but you will want to win, right? Yeah. But one thing that I've seen that I haven't seen with the McLaren P1, I don't know if they do with the auto carbon, but you see that right there? Whatever. I can't zoom in right there. See me circle? They do a lot of work with it. You can I don't know that looks like a C. It's so cool how much work they put into this. You know, it's really fun. Like in this game, you can play with the computer. You have to play with the computer, but I mean like with the keyboard, or you can play with the mouse. Like you've got an Xbox mouse, like a controller. And what's fun about these cars, they're really fast, and you can do you can do a lot of things with these cars. Watch, see this boost, and then you can also jump. You over here, you see my mouse? Follow it. All here, you can do all that. These cars do go really fast. You know, you gotta be professional, like really professional. Like if you have to be professional to be able to handle these cars, because even with me, I'm pretty professional. I'm not top dog professional. I'm pretty good. I play this game probably more than a year, like a year and probably yeah more than a year. And it's hard to control these cars. Even the speed, you just have to calculate how fast you're going. Cause I have to slow down sometimes. Sometimes when I'm going like almost like I can go like almost 30,000 on this. I gotta slow down right here, and it is hard. There's a lot of things you can do. There's a lot of modifications that you can do to these cars that I really like. It's really fun. V, if your car flips over, you just have to press V. It's a really fun game. Alright. Right now, I'm gonna get off of this one. I'm gonna get on my. I'm gonna get my LaFerrari. There's you get all of these ones. No, hold up. The Dodge Challenger in this game is really fast. It's like probably my third, second, or first. It's a really fast car. But the one sucky thing is, for pushing off, it's not that fast. It's a fast car. Watch. It could probably go faster than my McLaren. Probably. It's a really fast car. See the miles per hour? McLaren can probably it's probably be a tie. Also, fun thing that they don't just have cars. You can there's planes. I don't got a plane, but you can get a plane, and then you can do other careers. You can also get a jet ski, like a boat and all that. You see all that? You can get all of that. It's a really fun game if you like cars. If you don't like cars, then you know, like depends. You know, some people that like this probably makes you go into cars because this is really fun. That's a really fun game. You know, I can only tell you some things about the car. I'm gonna hop on my McLaren. Oh, what I do? See that? Ooh, and like the first time I played on this game, I fell in love with the fucking engine. Like how they sound. You can make them sound louder. It's just, it's really fun. It, hearing the motherfucking LaFerrari go so, hearing that fucking scream, it's just amazing. It's just an amazing feeling listening to the car. But you could do different careers. But if you guys have any more questions about this game, or if you guys know this game and there's things I haven't said yet, or the things you want like to tell me and stuff like that, don't be afraid to do it. Okay, enough with that. It's a really fun game, that's for sure. But there's also police station. There's like a lot of parkours on this game. Like sometimes there's a bridge over there where I'm facing. There's a bridge over there that I pass. Sometimes it goes up and you can fly up. And there is a drifting race. Okay, here's a police station. You can, right now I'm a citizen. You can be a police officer, a tow truck, not a tow truck. Like no, you can tow the cars. But and you can be a prisoner. Let's say that. You can be a prisoner. You be locked up in jail. Ooh, ooh. All right, all right, all right, all right. I'm gonna show you how you can get in and get out the jail. I'm gonna show you how the jail looks. Here's a secret entrance. If you guys want to know how to get out the jail, that's how you can go in the easy way. I like going the hard way. Like if you hit this right now, I can't hit this because I can't because I'm not a prisoner. I'm not trying to get out. I can get out where I came in, but you can hit this. I like hitting this more because if I hit it, cops. I like whenever police are here because they come and chase you. Like it's so fun. This game is really fun. It's more than just cars. That's what I really like about the game. Here, I'm I'm gonna put it in the title. Sorry if I make you guys wait, but it is a game. You know, sometimes it's really hard to get out of this spot right here. You see this right here? It is really hard to get in here. It does take some tries. But now, because I've been here a couple times, I've been in prison for murder, robbery, speeding. You know, you just get used to it. But like on the police, yeah, it's a good game, but they need to put more. They need to put guns because right now they got a police governor that tracks the cars speeding. That it looks like a gun, but it's not a gun. But they do have a taser. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell. Yeah, that's all. This is Lane Gosling 647. See you guys on next time. I'm